a 32. And to the finish line stripe they go, and Dan Ferguson does it. He is a back-to-back PDRA national event winner here at US 131 Motorsports Park this weekend. He won in Maryland. He parks into the winner's circle tonight here for the Northern National. So NITROUS in. Green lights appear. The advantage goes to Jeff Melnick. The win light to Jeff Melnick. 4:15 with a 9, 156 the speed. Jason Ventura trailed at 4:43, 166. And the Gladiator X Camaro is out of the group. First time this year we've seen Chris Cadotto, Bill Lutz trying to stay alive for a world championship, and they literally deserve the Never Give Up award. If there's one of those, we'd create it, because that is what they have done this weekend. They have persevered against all odds. Kenny walks away. Lutz to the top bulb, right side. Get on the edge of your seats. Here we go. Final round in Pro Street. The advantage goes to Cadotto. Lutz goes towards the wall, and Chris Cadotto walks away with a win. First time out and into the winner's circle here in 2023. 396, 182 miles an hour. Bill Lutz's car was pushing towards the right side, and he had to coast. He aborted the run at 472, 114. Look at the celebration down there for the Cadotto camp. And Stella. Top bulbs are lit. Can Johnny win on his birthday? We're about to find out. Red light for Drinkwater by 23 thou. Top end, it's 408, 177 miles an hour to the 409, 175 charge for Alan Drinkwater. And Johnny Placino is your winner here at the Northern Nationals, presented by Tauber Manufacturing in Extreme Pro Stock on his birthday. Congratulations to the Placino. All right, how about this? Kurt Stedding, everyone at P2 Racing, and Jason Harris over there on the right side. Dad Bob walks away. Final round in Pro Boost. The advantage goes to Harris. Top of the racetrack, Jason Harris is your winner here in Michigan. 3.605, 206 miles an hour. Kurt Stedding fades away at 378, 158. And the reaction time for Jason Harris in the final round, get this folks, is fight. We have a final round here at SWITZER Dynamics Pro NITROUS. Two veteran drivers gonna get up on the wheel and go into battle. Fulton Competition Engines right side, Pat Musey Power left side. We're Brandon Schweitzer and Schweitzer Dynamics. Jeff Pierce Race Car Tuning. Those are the two guys that are calling the shots for the drivers pulling into the beams. Halsey lights his top bulb first. Here comes Tommy. They're set, lights are down. The advantage in the starting line goes to Franklin. Top into the racetrack, there's the win. Tommy Franklin victorious here at US 131 Motorsports Park